So, why don't you get a reed out? Got a reed, open it up. Get yourself a reed.
So this
is the mouthpiece, this is the ligature, and then this you don't need. This is to protect the reed.
It's something to protect the reed. This bag contains the reed. Is this the reed container?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Does it open like that?
Mm-hmm.
This one contains just one reed.
Mm-hmm.
Does each one of those contain just one reed?
Mm-hmm. Okay. So suck on it. Get it nice and wet.
Make sure you don't bite it.
Mm-hmm.
There.
Soak it in your mouth for a while, because it takes
You can
a
put
little
it
while
under your tongue if you want.
for your spit to go all the way through the reed.
Can you suck on it? Stick it under your tongue? Or?
You don't just need to suck or hold it under your tongue. You just hold it in your mouth.
Is this his first time, or did he play in the store? First time?
Mm-hmm.
First time.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And take it out. Okay, now take your mouthpiece. And it goes on top. That's right.
Perfectly even, like
Perfectly even, right? So right at the top edge.
perfect. It has to be perfect.
Yep. And then slip it on, and careful not to catch the reed with the ligature. I think you've got it on backwards. Evan. Turn the ligature around.
Other way around.
Yeah, there you go. There you go.
This
See, it's
part
just-
is very similar to the xylophone.
and clarinet, but
Clarinet.
not oboe. The oboe is quite
Oboe is totally different.
Oboe's
Oboe's
totally-
for freaks. Which is okay. If you want to be a freak, that's okay. I still love
So,
you.
Daddy, do you have to
I'm not an
loosen
oboist.
it and then move it
I
further
think the oboe-
and then tighten it?
Yeah.
Oboes spend more time making reeds than practicing. Just kidding.
I don't think that's true.
I'm just kidding.
Here, loosen up your ligature. Loosen it up a bit.
There. Now I'm tightening it up. There. Is it like this?
Let me see. Let me inspect your work. No, not bad. Not bad. I think you got it. No, actually good. So now, squeak it. You should be able to just squeak the mouthpiece. Yes.
You did it, Mr.
Yes, like that. Do it again.
Edwin!
You want to get nice long notes out of that. Good job.
That moved the ligature.
Oh, well, then loosen up the ligature and retighten it. Slip it back a little bit further and then retighten it.
You're good at squeaking, Edwin.
Yep. You got it.
Yeah, look at that smile on the Edwin!
You've got to be good at squeaking in order to get good sound out of your
Mr.
instrument.
Edwin, are you happy?
Yes.
Is this what you wanted?
Yes.
Did you floss after?
He did. Edwin, you can't put your finger in your ear.
Just squeak it.
Really loud. Come on, just do it.
It's not how hard you do it. It's how you're holding your mouth.
Make your lip curly lip.
Bottom lip is like this. Top lip is actually like this.
Show him.
There you go. And if what you might want to do is you might want to slip your mouth a little further down. If you're having trouble, it means your mouth's too far. Hold on. Whoa, wait. You got to squeak.
Why don't you give Zachary the one from the xylophone?
Here, Zachary. Squeak.
I can do that. Whoa.
Yeah.
I can do that. I blast.
Let's Theodore try.
Here.
That actually sounded really weird. Like this.
Yes. Good.
I love the sound.
You know what?
Theodore.
Edwin, look. Look. You see how your reed is slipped up? Edwin, do you see how your reed is up?
Theodore made it squeal.
Okay, so you slid the ligature down, but you need to move the reed down so that it's even with the top.
Because otherwise it's
Wow, that's him?
That's the
That's little Theodore. Do it again. Look at me, Theodore. Look at Mommy. Do it to the camera. He's an expert.
That's actually because
Theodore, that sounds like a horn. Theodore, that's a little
explain how Theodore got it and nobody else does? Is it because he's not over here?
He's just honking the heck out of it.
Honk it, Edwin.
And the other thing is that Edwin. So the reason why Theodore is having no trouble is because if you put your mouth here, Edwin, listen.
Look.
If your mouth is here, it's harder to play than if your mouth is here.
Just put it all the way.
It doesn't even do that. It doesn't do anything. It works when you put your mouth here, but it doesn't when you put your mouth up here. It's like a train horn. It sounds a little like a train horn.
Edwin, honk. Stop plugging your ears, Edwin.
Quiet.
Okay, everybody else quiet.
And also,
Quiet, Theodore. Theodore,
Okay,
quiet.
go ahead, Edwin.
Honk. Give us a honk.
Daddy, are those parts for this instrument?
No.
Is
You
that a flute?
you have a complete instrument.
Is that a flute?
Go ahead,
Clarinet.
Edwin, honk so I can stop the video.
This
I
is
wanna
my
honk.
clarinet.
Honk from you. Honk it, please.
I'm put your mouth right here. Once
Honk
you're
it,
done.
honk it, honk it, honk it, honk it.
When I'm ready. Theodore.
Zachary, stop.
Theodore and
Zachary.
Zachary, quiet, so I can honk.
Edwin is good. Zachary and Theodore, stop.
Wow, that's been ages. I was telling you about the 2 different timbres you can get.